With winter coming, it is a good idea to have the car checked all over, especially with an older vehicle. We can schedule you for Thursday, October 21st, arriving at 7 o'clock a.m. Is this the number to reach you at? 201-722-5648? Okay, Anita, we have you scheduled for our complimentary car service to and from work, leaving our service center at 7:15 a.m. and picking you up at approximately 4:15 p.m. from Arcadia Parkway. Okay, then we will see you next Thursday at 7 o'clock a.m. If you need to adjust your appointment, please give us 24 hours notice, or you will be charged a $50 service fee. Thank you.